Hi everybody, welcome to Fun Friday with Mr. Jason. That's me. Today we're going to draw a duck. It's a good, pretty simple drawing. We're coming back from spring break, so we'll just do a drawing that should be pretty easy. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a piece of paper. Today we're going to use a portrait. It's going to be taller than it is wide. But before we start, I just wanted to once again say that everybody's art skill is a little bit different. Some of us have been drawing for a long time. Some of us have been drawing for a very short time. So I don't want you to be too hard on yourself if your drawing isn't perfect. Every time you draw, every time you practice, you're going to get a little bit better. And the only way to do that is to make mistakes, to be honest. I make mistakes all the time. I'm not sure if you've seen the Lamborghini video, but I made quite a few mistakes on that one, and that's okay. The drawing still came out. So I want you to be kind to yourself. Just do the best you can, and that's all we ask. Okay? So there's a pencil, there's an eraser. I'm going to use the Sharpie so you can see it a little bit better. And we're going to start near the middle of our paper, a little bit higher than the middle, and we're going to start with a curved line. This is the back of our duck's head. And a curved line comes down, kind of looks maybe like, I don't know. If I was try to say something, it almost looks like a dinosaur's neck, but it's a duck. Then up here, where we started, we're going to do a little zigzag. And those are just some feathers that are a little ruffled on it, the duck's head. It's a cartoon duck, so we're going to add a cartoon feature. We're going to add a couple circles here for eyes. Circle 1. Circle 2. Inside those circles, we'll add some dots. Color those in. And in between those eyes, we're going to draw a curved line that peaks, means it rises, it goes up, between the eyes. Like that. A simple curved line. Then over here, we're going to draw the bill. It's going to come down. And just kind of a U shape. And then inside here, let's add a couple dots. Ducks have nostrils on the top of their beak. And you see where this curved line is at the bottom of this U shape? We're going to draw a smaller version that follows along and then curves out. Actually, I want my duck to smile because I like all my drawings to be happy. So on this end of the bill, we're going to curve it up and add a smile line. There. Now our duck is happy. Right here, we're going to bring the neck back down, the other side of the neck. And then I want to be finished with the head here, so I'm going to draw a curved line that goes to the eye, and a curved line that goes to the ruffled feathers. Okay, drawing our duck's chest area, I like to do a little bit of a zigzag just to make it look like there's some feathers. So just a couple of zigzags. Come down. I'm going to do a curved line. The rest of the duck is floating in the water. Pick up on the other side. And no more zigzags. I'm going to go up, zigzag for the tail feathers. And in between this line and this line, we're going to draw a wing. It's going to be kind of an oval shape. I'm going to start right around here. I'm going to come back, but then I'm going to do a wavy line to show some feathers here. So I did 4 of those, and then I'm just going to connect this back to the tail. I did the wavy line here. I'm going to come back, do a couple more wavy lines. And I'm going to come back one more. just to show the feathers of the bird's wing. I'm also going to come to the bird's neck, do a wavy line for some feathers here, wavy lines for some feathers there. Now this part of the duck here is resting in the water, so we're going to draw some round lines that follow along that point where the bird meets the water, just to kind of show a ripple in the water where our bird is floating. So there's just curved lines that go around the bottom part of the bird. Now what we're going to do is our duck is floating in a little pond, really little pond. Behind our duck, we're going to draw a big cattail. That's one of those plants that grows near the edge of a swamp. It's got big, big leaves, and the end of it almost looks like a corn dog. So we're going to draw one of the leaves. It's kind of a long line and then a curved line back. I'm going to draw another one over here. It's behind the duck. Curved line and a curved line. One more. And then the long stalk. Curved line. Another curved line. Try to keep it skinny. And on the end, again, it kind of looks like a corn dog. That's a cattail. Behind our duck, we're going to draw the edge of the pond. We're going to draw some more zigzags that show the kind of the weeds and plants on the side of the pond. I'm going to go to the edge of the page. Made a little mistake there, but that's okay. It doesn't hurt my drawing. I'm going to come down across the front of the pond. Another plant, zigzag. Go a little ways with a curved line that shows the pond, and then another plant. I'm going to draw an organic line. And then we're going to draw another cattail on this side. So same thing that we did over here, we're going to do on this side. So big leaf, big leaf. I'm going to draw the cattail. Oops, made a mistake, but that's okay. I'm just doing the best I can, and that is okay. Need some plants on this side. I get to the duck's bill and I'm going to stop. It's behind our duck. I'm going to draw some more water that gets to the duck's neck and then stop. And then a little bit there. And that is our duck swimming in the water. I'm going to add one more small little detail. Wherever you have space, I have a little space behind our duck. I'm going to draw a semicircle. And in that semicircle, draw two circles. And in that two circles, two dots. Draw a triangle. And below that triangle, a little curved line. Then a curved line. Now another wing. Remember, there's a wavy line at the end of the wing. We'll do another wavy line at the end of the wing. Come down. Do a little ducktail with the back. And same thing that we did big on this duck, we're going to do small on this duck. Curved line at the bottom, and then a little, some curved lines around it, ripples in the water. Let's add a little ruffled feather on the top of our little duckling. We have a mama duck and a baby duck. So it's a wonderful spring day for our ducks. We'll add some clouds in the sky. We make clouds by using wavy lines. You can make them however you want. Curved lines and wavy lines. If you want to add a sun or birds flying, you may. In the background, maybe a nice hilly background. Curved lines behind our objects. So you get to something, you stop. And just draw some hills in the background. And that is our duck and our duckling. Oops, I want to add one more thing. Right here. Connect the bill. Okay, now we're done. Mama duck, baby duck, sitting in a little pond with some cattails. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we get better. Don't compare your art to anybody else. Just be the best artist you can be. And we'll see you next Friday.